skies covered in gray. I stand watching echoes of you, raindrops falling on the window pane, like memories I can't break through. We once walked side by side, holding dreams we thought would last, but time drifted like a sighing tide, leaving us alone with the past. And I know nothing will ever be the same again. Even if the rain falls again tonight, bringing back shadows of what we used to be. If you can hear my heart calling out, I'm still standing here, waiting quietly. Even when the world keeps changing without us, the last rain of that night still remains, until I finally find a road to take that leads my weary heart home. Every step I take away from you feels like wind that's lost its way. Still I'm holding on to something true, though the dawn hides behind the gray. Sometimes love is not meant to be understood. Sometimes pain